Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into your WordPress account. First, you need to find the correct login page. Typically, you can do this by typing your website address followed by /wp-admin or /wp-login, PHP into your browser's address bar. For example, if your site is mywebsite.com, you would go to mywebsite.com/wp-admin. Some hosting providers also offer a convenient direct link within their control panel. Once you find it, consider bookmarking the page for future ease. Once you are on the WordPress login page, you will see two main fields. The first field is for your username or email address, which you set up when you initially installed WordPress. The second field is for your password. It is crucial to enter these details precisely as they were created. Double-check for any typos or incorrect capitalization, as WordPress login credentials are case-sensitive. Taking a moment to verify your input can save you from frustrating login attempts. Below the login fields, you will often find a Remember Me checkbox. Clicking this option will keep you logged in for a certain duration, typically a few days or weeks, making subsequent access quicker. If you ever forget your password, do not worry. There is a Lost Your Password link available. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your username or email, and WordPress will send you an email with instructions to securely reset the password. Always use a strong, unique password. Sometimes you might encounter issues logging in even with correct credentials. A common solution is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, as outdated data can interfere with the login process. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can prevent the page from loading correctly. If problems persist, especially after trying these steps, it might be a server-related issue. In such cases, reaching out to your web hosting provider's support team is the best course of action for expert assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.